Here I am outside today. Guess what we're going to be learning about in art this week? We're going to be learning about weather and the seasons. So I'm outside so we can talk about the weather today. What do you think the weather is like right now? You're right if you said cold and snowy. What season is it if there's snow on the ground? You're right if you said winter. It's winter here in Utah. Anyway, today we're going to be talking about all the different seasons and what kind of weather we have during those seasons. Well, when I first moved to this house, it was the end of summer last year. And guess what? Those trees behind me, what color do you think they were during the summer? So last summer, those trees were green. They had lots of green leaves on them. And then in the fall, like in September, October, November, those trees turned, what colors do you think they were? You're right if you said orange and red and yellow. And then those leaves fell off of those trees. And now that it's winter, there's no leaves on them. But pretty soon, in just a month or so, they're going to start back to life. And do you know what color they're going to be? I didn't live here last spring, but I was told by someone what kind of trees they are. And they're going to get flowers on them. And those flowers are going to be pink. I hope it's true. I'm so excited. I can't wait to see them. So in the spring, they're pink. In the summer, they're green. In the fall, they're orange, red, and yellow. And in the winter, there's no leaves, but there's just snow on the branches sometimes. So those are the seasons. What are the seasons? Spring, then summer, then fall, then winter, which we're in right now. But pretty soon it's going to be spring. So friends, let's get to our art project. Okay, friends. Since we're talking about seasons and weather today, we're going to be doing an art project that goes along with those subjects. So this is what we're going to be making. We have winter, spring, summer, and fall. Remember when I talked to you about the trees in my yard and how in the spring, coming up in just a few months, they're going to look like this. They're going to have pink flowers on them. I'm so excited. I can't wait. And then in the summer, the flowers fall off and there's green leaves. The fall, the leaves turn red, yellow, orange, and then they fall to the ground. And then winter. And in the winter, there's just brown branches and sometimes there's snow on there. So today in art, we'll be making the Four Seasons trees. It's going to be lots of fun. Let's get to it. Okay, friends, to make our Four Seasons tree project, we just need this blue paper. Will have the seasons written at the top. So we're going to make sure we do each season in the correct square. Winter, spring, summer, fall. And then we're going to need some shapes. What shapes have I been using on these trees? You're right, circles and rectangles. So everyone's going to need 4 of these for the 4 different trees, 4 of the brown rectangles. And then we're going to need you can take just a few of the small dark green circles and a few of the bigger light green circles. What tree is that going on? Summer. Just take a few of those for summer. And then you take a few of the pinks for spring. The big circles probably only need like maybe 4 of those. Then everybody's going to take a few of these blue and white ones for winter. And then take some yellow and orange for fall. You don't need very many, just a little bit. You can always get more later if you need to. Okay, friends, once you have your circles, then all you need is some glue and we can get to our project. Okay, friends, there you have it. Your seasonal trees. Your trees showing all the seasons. If you want to add any more details to your picture, like flowers or anything else in the background, you can get some crayons or colored pencils and add those details. I hope you had fun. I sure did. Don't forget the seasons. They make life exciting. See you again next time.